Welcome to Miracle Motor Speedway,
and Homestead.
the concrete version.
Are you having fun yet?
No. There's nothing fun about this. But this works good.
Having to use it by hand.
I don't think I could have done this by hand.
We're halfway there.
More than halfway, thank goodness. Got my COVID mask on, and my face still has country on it.
No.
Just saying.
Even up your nose.
Yeah, I can even blow.
And if you're having a bad day in the shop, look to your right and then to your left, and all is good in the world.
Good little invention.
Yep.
Looks good, don't it?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm wore out.
You're gonna be sore. Looks good though.
Yeah. And it'll look better. It dries a little bit more. We'll just run that float over it.
Yep.
Keep running the float over it, and it really will be smooth and nice.
So it took about 3 hours
Yep.
to do
Probably
this.
got another half hour
Yeah.
of cleanup.
Yeah.
So it's not bad.
Not bad.
A lot better than I thought.
We got one section almost done, and we got all of this to do. Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
No kidding. Yeah.
We're gonna
Well.
get to a point where like, can we hire somebody?
Well,
to do
we're already
this?
to that point, but we can't. So we'll do that one over there. Then we'll cut that in half, what's left,
Yeah.
and do that corner. And we can get all this stuff off of here,
All this
right
soft
over
stuff
there.
over. We're gonna move all of this
All of that,
over here when we get all
all the way
this.
on the outside walls of that whole area.
Yeah. And then Grace can start shopping for the homestead.
Really.
Okay, we're walking our property. And of course, we just wanted to show you some of the things that we get to enjoy. This is called Creepy Tree. We don't actually know the name of it, but look at it.
It's creepy.
It's very creepy. Very creepy. We have a lot of dead that we need to actually get the chainsaw down in here and clean out.
Well, this is a start of the second pour. The previous video, part of this video was just so we like to just walk around our property and just check things out. And look at that mask on that dude. I bet you that's COVID approved.
Sure it is.
I know it's concrete approved because my lungs did not hurt near as bad as that. As the first pour. Well, this pour's looking a lot better than the first one. So we thought. That's not how it ended up. The first one, looky there, turned out pretty nice. And we thought it was just for the first time doing it, but apparently we get worse the more we do it. So if you don't mind giving us a hand by just telling us what look could possibly be wrong, which I don't know if anybody can help because the camera makes it look way better than it actually did. See, and there's the reason for that mask. Look at that dust coming out of there. Those things got heavy there at the end. Look, there's a finished project. Looking nice.
Looks good until it dries.
Yeah.
Then it's a powdery mess.
Mm-hmm. Don't know what that was all about. And the third one was worse. Don't know what that was all about.
If you would, like and subscribe and send us any comments that you might have. Thank you.